so funny. Especially when they can't see you because you're in the kitchen. It hasn't rained in so long. It's kind of amazing. There's even any grass at all for it to eat. Uh-oh. Does it see me? I don't think so. Oh, come on. Yeah. No, I don't want. Yes, I want. Yeah, this is getting hard. There we go. Jump, 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 jump. The landlord sent people to mow for some reason a couple weeks ago. I hope they don't come. Actually, I hope it rains, but barring that, hopefully they'll leave the very few plants that are here for these guys to eat. Jump, 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 jump. I'd go outside to film, but as soon as I open the door, this thing will bolt. And they move faster than you would think. But anyway, it's lunchtime for groundhogs. It's a big one too. I don't know if that's the big one, but it probably is. There's one that's just huge. Uh-oh. Now it's going to go in the hole under the house. Hi, Groundhog.